Meet Odoo, the fastest online accounting app with unmatched productivity. Straight from the dashboard, you have an overview of your journals and everything to do. Payments, bills to validate, expenses to process. It's all just one click away from being done. Customize your invoice template in under a minute. Nice! Keep track of payment status. Enjoy automatic follow-up reports. Send additional reminders. And let customers manage their documents and payments online. What about bills? Set the vendor, the product. Odoo auto-completes everything for you. Of course, you can also let Odoo's invoice digitization technology scan your bills. With a 98% recognition rate, it's hassle-free. Let's have a look at the other bills. This product is an asset. Odoo will depreciate it automatically for us over 36 months. Perfect! That's a car leasing bill with different recoverable taxes. Done. Let's check our journal entries. Using the filters and search bar, we can find what we're looking for and instantly preview the related documents. Time for some banking action. In just a few clicks, the payments are registered. Most transactions are reconciled automatically, but let's review a few. Odoo automatically suggests matching entries for us. Here's our batch payment, and validate. Bank fees? We can easily write them off with customizable reconciliation models. Thanks to PayPal support, we can send and receive documents securely. Thanks to the synchronized bank feed, bank statements are updated every 4 hours. With over 70 localization packages, Odoo Accounting is pre-configured specifically for your country's requirements. Charts of accounts, taxes, reports, electronic invoicing, audit files, and fiscal positions to automatically apply the right tax rates and accounts. Quickly access reports, drill down, and filter to see just what you want to see. Spotted a mistake? Correct any error in real time, easily. No need to fiddle around with journal entries. Keep track of cash flow through analytic accounts. Manage your expenses through budgets. And create one-shot deferred expenses. As a fiduciary, you can manage, access, and know the status of all your clients' databases from a single page. With the integrated Odoo apps, enjoy seamless invoice creation from sales orders and e-commerce checkouts. Easy invoice creation from point-of-sale transactions. Real-time inventory valuation. Report expenses in batch, and much more. Odoo, real-time accounting, unmatched productivity.